What's up? What's good? It's your girl Courtney B here, and I'm back with yet another video. As y'all can see by the title, okay, today your girl is working with Beauty Forever hair to bring you guys this long, okay, inches. This is giving inches. Closure wig slay by Beauty Forever hair, alright? Told y'all in my last hair video that I am done with the frontals, and I meant just that. And this video has just solidified even the more that decision, girl. This closure wig is bomb, okay? Before I go to talking too much, because y'all know I can do that, let me just hush and let y'all watch this install, alright? And I'll see y'all in a little bit. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Let's go ahead and jump into the details of this hair, girl, because sis is getting me all the things. The hair that I'm wearing right now is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their 5x5 HD lace unit. This is in the inch of 26. So sis is a pretty long girl. Y'all know I'm about 4'11" or 5 feet on a good day. You know how this goes. And just like all of my units, this is 180% density. I love a thick girl. We just love to see it. On the site in the title, it just says human hair, but I'm going to assume by the texture and the feel that this hair is in fact Brazilian. First things first, I love this hair, okay? Firstly, because of the length. Secondly, because of how easy this hair was to install. Since this is a closure wig, I told you guys in my last hair video that I am done with frontals. I still will review frontals every now and then, but right about now, as far as me wearing it out into my everyday life, frontals are not my thing. So this being as long as it is, being so quality as it is, and having a nice bang down the middle signature wig, this is my jam. I did bleach the knots on this unit. However, I did not pluck this unit at all. I did not do anything extra with this unit at all. I did not use a wax stick to wax down anything with the part. I literally put sis on after bleaching her, which I did over bleach a little tad bit. I did not shampoo this hair at all. I did rinse my knots and wash the rest of my hair with a regular conditioner. And after that, pop sis on my head, parted sis down the middle, put her on, cut the lace off, and this is what I got. I did apply some powder to my lace and my parting space, as you guys saw in the video. This hair is very silky. When I was straightening this hair, straightening the hair was very easy. But one thing I do want to point out is, if you want your maximum amount of flow with this hair, with it being so long, I do suggest you trimming your ends. It's just a trick that I use for all of my units, especially when they're longer, on the longer side. And also with this hair being long and thick, I am gonna tell you guys that you are gonna get a little bit of, it's not really tangling as far as like quality issues. It's just because there's so much hair. The hair isn't heavy as in so much hair, but the hair is definitely a good density. It's a true 180% density. And just walking around with everyday life, you may have to brush it every now and then because it is so long, and they will get kind of, you know, gathered up together. Not really bunched up, but just gathered because once again, the hair is so long, and that is very minimal in itself. Also, I'm not receiving any shedding at the moment. Even though I did bleach my knots, and bleaching your knots typically does cause your hair to shed, I'm not receiving any shedding, surprisingly. I do not wear her to sleep. I take her off every night and put her on my mannequin head. Sis is completely glueless, okay? There's nothing at all tacking sis down. As y'all can see, she's able to come off at night. Now, I'm not sure if it's due to the way that I style this hair, but I did receive some frizz. A simple, easy, affordable trick for that is my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Apply a little bit of that to the palm of your hand, rub it in, rake it through your hair, and concentrate a little bit more on your ends without adding any more product to your hands, and you're good, okay? But nevertheless, the hair is beautiful. I am in love with it. It has a great luster. I think I actually will be purchasing me a unit myself, but in a shorter length, maybe like right here, or maybe even a bob. Ooh, like this. Oh, sis, we making looks, we making looks. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to the Beehive down below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. A super big heartfelt thank you does go out to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me today's unit. Thank you so much. I am in love with this wig. As always, I love every single one of you. But until next time, my lovelies, your crown may tilt, but you never let it fall. Stay gilded.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.